In this video, I give a progress update on the fully automatic flying bedrock breaker that I've been working on for the last few months. And I'm starting to lose interest in the project, so I thought that I would just release what I have so far, so that if someone else wants to work on it, she hasn't got to redo everything. So basically in this video I will first show you what I've got so far, and I will run through one cycle of the flying bedrock break, and we will break this bedrock block right here. And then I will explain what still needs to be done, and then it's basically the video. Yeah, so let's just run through this. I have put all the parts that I have so far right here, and I've put wool and clay blocks on them depending on the order in which you need to activate them. So the first thing is the white wool. If we activate this, then this flying machine will fly downwards, and it contains a lot of the zero-tick technology to break the bedrock blocks that we want to destroy. Now the reason why I don't have all the zero-tick technology right here all the time is that we need to create the headless pistons later, and then we will need a lot of space for the explosion. So you can't just have the zero-tick technology lying around here all the time. You need to slide in and back out again so that you have enough space. So now we have the zero-tick technology to break the bedrock in place. Now we just need to activate a few parts. For example, we need to activate this piston right here, and we do that by letting this flying machine slide down, and over here we have another piston we need to activate over here, and so we just need to let a few flying machines slide down, and then we will activate the parts. So for example, this flying machine now activated something over here, and this one over there, and when I activate this one, it will activate something, and then the bedrock will be broken. So that's what I've got so far basically. So we can look right here, and well, the bedrock won't instantly get broken, rather we get a headless piston above here, above the bedrock, and this headless piston will break the bedrock. Now that we've activated everything, we can let this fly down completely, and then we can let this fly back up again. And now we have broken the bedrock, because now the headless piston deleted the bedrock. So we managed to delete one block of bedrock, and all the zero-tick technology is out of the way again. Now we just have a lot of flying machines to shuffle these pistons around so that they get in the correct place. I think the next one was lime green. That's this one over here. So it will just take the redstone block away, and then the next one is pink. And then we have gray, and these will just move these pistons around a little bit, and after this one we are in the correct position to start generating the headless pistons, I think. So this one will move over here. Now we have these pistons in the position, and we will generate the headless pistons by dropping TNT from above, and the TNT will blow up roughly here in this spot, and this way only blocks which are like here get destroyed, and all other blocks are not affected. So the pistons are safe, but we will get headless pistons. So the next one is this one right here. If we activate this one, this flying machine will get going, and it will transport the redstone block over here, and at the same time up there's a TNT duplicator which gets activated when we get a headless piston. That's the first headless piston. We do it a second time with this flying machine over here, and this time I will fly upwards so you can see the TNT duplicator, so you can see right here the TNT duplicator, and it drops it down, and then we have our headless pistons. And now we just need to get these pistons back in place so that we can use that thing again. So I will activate this one over here. I'm using a rather complicated route to transport these pistons back because I didn't manage to make it easier, but anyway, that's just what I've got. So these get transported back. Now another problem is that these headless pistons are in a different configuration when we need them. What we need is actually a headless piston right here, and not over there, so we'll have to do another trick to move this headless piston one over using the 1.8 stickering and stuff. And so we have a little bit more theoretic technology right here, and then over there, and when I activate this, then this headless sticky piston will get moved one over, as you can see. And this is the configuration where we need them. So we'll just activate 2 further flying machines, and then we will be back at the starting position, except that we have broken one piece of bedrock. So these are the flying machines that I have so far. And this is exactly the configuration with which we started. Now everything that's left to do is we need to move this flying machine one over into this direction, and we need to move all these flying machines one over into this direction and this one. And then we can restart the whole process, and that's everything I've got so far, basically. So if you want to work on this project, then you can use the setup, and all you need to do is you need to find some way to move this flying machine one block over, or redesign this flying machine so that it's easier to move over, because it's pretty much, I haven't managed to move it one over, so I think I'll have to redesign it, and you have to move all these one block to the side. And then you will have to do some minor things. For example, this one doesn't properly reset. What you need to do is you need to move this redstone block over here, and you need to move this one back. And there are some other things. For example, right here, one redstone block needs to be moved over. And yeah, I think that's all the things that still need to be done. And then you need to move this piston over, and you need to move this piston over, and then you're basically ready. So that's how far I'm currently with the bedrock breaker. Other than that, there's an interesting bug right here, directly above the void, namely the pistons can't extend downwards. So if I activate this one, this is completely unrelated with the rest, but I just thought it is interesting, because this piston can't extend downward except if you have a destructible block underneath. So if I, for example, get some leaves and power him, then he can extend. There's just a bug in the piston code with the checks. Something similar happens at the world border, by the way, I don't know. If you have like the world, if we say that the world border is right here, and you have a leaf block on the other side of the world border, and you activate the piston, then you can get the piston to extend outside the world border, but that's something different. I'll just stop the video before I... anyway, bye.